Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to hide posts from someone on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and now you want to hide your post from someone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook app, and here you have to go to your profile and then select the post which you want to hide from someone. And I'm going to select the first one. Just tap on the three dots, then select edit privacy, and here you have to select the option which is friends accept. Just tap on it. Here you have to select the friend from which you want to hide your post. As I'm going to select these two, so just select, then tap on done, and then you have to tap on save to save your data privacy. And now the post will not send to the specific persons. So that's how you can easily hide your post from someone on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.